In this lesson, we'll discuss playlists. So I'm in the Evidence module of Trial Director and the Playlists Explorer. Remember how to get Explorers again? You go over to the kind of middle-ish right, use the Explorers dropdown, and then select the Explorer we'd like to use. We can also use a layout if we have a particular layout specifically for creating playlists or patents or document prep. We can use those layouts as well. How do we add a playlist? Just like every other time, we select the green plus symbol for add item. Now we have to give our playlist a name. Let's call this witnesses 2 through 4. We'll give it a description, back witnesses day 2 of trial maybe. We don't necessarily need an exhibit number, trial exhibit number, common name. We can give that if we want, and then we're going to hit save. Now this is our playlist work area now that we've created a playlist. We can create a new playlist. We can add a clip. We can add multimedia. So adding a clip means we're adding clips from our videotape depositions. So like Poly TD, Poly 1, Test 1, 2, and 3. Multimedia would be like that train station multimedia, Clippy, Clippy 1, Clippy 2 if we made those as well. This just allows us to be able to play multiple deponents back to back or play deponents and then a video and then deponents again. It allows us a little bit more flexibility and to cut down the time that maybe gets taken away at trial when we're going from deponent and then we have to introduce a new deponent. Instead, we can say, okay, we're going to play you, judge and jury, 3 witnesses back to back. They're about 5 minutes long each, so we've decided to put them back to back. They're all the 3 claims adjusters for this region, and then their, hands-on activity with this particular claim, whatever the case may be. Let's say it was kind of an insurance issue. So we can do that to kind of cut down the time instead of saying, okay, here we're going to put in this person. Okay, now we're stopped to the 2 minutes because it was only 2 minutes long. Now we're going to talk about this person. I have to reintroduce them again and then play and then stop and then play or reintroduce somebody else. It just kind of cuts down about 3 to 5 minutes, and that can be 3 to 5 minutes worth of evidence you can get in for that day. So I highly recommend doing that if you have some really short videotape depositions you want to play. Sometimes when you want to play clips back to back, this might be nice so that way it's kind of more seamless. So I'm going to add some clips. We're going to do Poly TD and Tester 2. We'll add those two. And then we'll also add TSCO1. And let's add shortwave media. I didn't add that at that time. We can move these up or down. So if I want Tester up before Poly, I can do that. Shortwave radio in the middle, wherever I need that to go, I can have that moved. But this, again, just allows us to play all of these clips, all of these videos, all of these audio back to back. Then we'll hit save. And now my playlist is updated. I can type it in by typing in witnesses space 2-4 enter on presentation. Or if I wanted to change the properties, exhibit number, trial exhibit number, common name, I can also add aliases to that so that way it's easier to pull up. We can expand this out and we'll see all of the parts of that playlist. We have edit properties again, remove it, open the item, which just opens up this work area, and then we'll play that item if we wanted to kind of see a preview. We can also drag and drop them into admitted exhibits. If it maybe was admitted exhibits, we played, a bunch of multimedia back to back and it's one exhibit, we could put that in there as well. Thank you so much for attending.